because if I didn't put those ones in till tomorrow, I'd be in trouble. I've got to make sure I'm right in the next half an hour or so. Lovely. I might just have to come up a tad. Bring that down, bring that slightly up. But it's something you must do. See how I'm closer now? I'm only 1.5 mil out. I will lift that up a tad in a sec. We'll put this other row on. I was just thinking, see, that's how a DIY can get into trouble, but because I've been doing this for over and over again for 35 years, Jesus, that long, I know that I have got to match up that before I go home tonight. Or even, but before then, because my glue is drying. But a DIY wouldn't think of that, and then he comes back the next day and goes, uh-oh, it's not lining up. And it should do, because I've laser leveled it all, but this might have just sunk a little, you know, like 1.5 mil is not very much, but it you know, yeah, anyway. So I'll pop these up. Don't forget to subscribe, everyone. Push the bell. I'm coming out every day now, so be sure you don't miss anything. Subscribe to my channel, lean in and hold on tight, because it's gonna be a ride and a half. So I hope you've enjoyed this little segment. Hey, yep. We'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. See ya. Bye.